How to fix age restriction on YouTube. So go ahead and open your YouTube and then click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on settings at the bottom and then click on general. So if you scroll down, you'll see this restricted mode. And if this is turned on, then that means you have that age restriction and you might not be able to potentially see any mature videos. So you can just make sure that this is turned off. So if this option is not showing to you, what you can do is go out of general and then click on your profile icon and click on manage your Google account. So go ahead and click on personal info. And then you do have to be 18 plus. So if you have entered your birthday incorrectly, you can just tap on your birthday here. And then select the correct birthday. And if you are 18 above, then you'll see the option to turn on or turn off the age restriction. So this is how to fix age restriction on YouTube.